Hey guys, today we're here at Disneyland. We're taking this little leprechaun to meet all the characters and see their reactions on this St. Patrick's Day.
Good to see you again.
Yeah, you too. He's a leprechaun today. He grew a beard.
He didn't have that beard yesterday.
Just overnight, just grew.
Wow. Pascal's new play buddy? I just feel like him and Pascal, I don't know if they get along.
Is that not an amphibian?
I don't really know what he is.
He's an alien.
An alien?
Yes.
So, okay. All right, so I got a lot of questions. First off, beard is pink. Is that his natural color?
Yeah, I guess. Unless he went and dyed it. I don't know if too much time.
Yeah, do you? Okay, that's fair.
So it must be.
Right, and the quilt, may I say, this is amazing. Is there's, he's got clovers on?
Yes.
That is really good. Oh, what do we, anything inside the satchel today?
Where's that?
You know, I could take some of this off your...
Yeah, he's got a whole bunch of gold coins.
Oh, really? Yeah, if that bag's getting a little too heavy, I can go and hold on to that for you.
You can keep it if you want.
Oh, it's okay. I got enough, actually. Wait, why does he have so much gold?
Oh, he's a leprechaun, so he didn't steal this gold today. He's giving it out.
Oh, that's very nice.
Or just keeping it for good luck. I don't know. I don't know. Whatever leprechauns do with gold.
That makes sense. They like create rainbows or something.
I think. Oh, he's trying to find the end of the rainbow to put it. That's what he's doing.
I see. Oh man, I haven't seen any rainbows around here lately. I hope one turns up. Yeah. Well, did you wanna take a picture together?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Okay, here. Let's do this. Hey, it was good seeing you.
You too.
Love the fit. I hope you guys have the best day ever, all right?
Bye.
Oh, no, thanks for the gold.
Oh, no, it's worth tons. You can buy like $1 million with it.
You serious?
Oh, yeah. It's worth more than the crown. It's worth like 20 crowns.
Cool, good to know. All right, thank you.
Bye.
Have a great day.
We were in line to get a chocolate croissant cookie from Maurice's because they are delicious. And Gaston came into the lineup to complain about Maurice, and that worked out because then Kiwi got to meet Gaston.
Look who it is.
He's all
Little Kiwi.
today.
Well, it's good because he's already green, right?
Yeah,
So he already has it. Yeah. What do? They pinch people.
They pinch
if you
people.
don't wear green, but he's always wearing green.
But he also has gold. Look at this. He's got a whole bunch of little gold coins. It's fake, but he doesn't know that.
He doesn't know. Yeah, and we didn't say it loud enough for him.
No, his ears are kind of small. He can't hear.
Perfect. I like his beard too. This is nice.
Yeah, it just kind of grew in overnight.
I think I might look good with something like that.
Well, you would.
It would probably be perfect. Yeah. I don't know if it would grow in this color. Probably more closer to that.
Yeah.
I think it would suit you.
Looks good today. And the hat and everything. Let's all take a portrait too.
Yes, please. Thank you,
Oh,
Gaston.
it's so nice to see me. Goodbye, Kiwi.
Yeah.
Farewell,
Good
everyone.
to see you.
Go in there and make sure to get the eggs. Yeah, before they're gone. They consider eggs to be a breakfast food. Yeah, so they...
Yeah.
Exactly. So you don't want... Tell them to never stop selling them.
Okay. Bye.
Yeah, goodbye.
He's got like magic.
We're giving them out, right?
He's got little magic coins in his pocket.
Wow.
To make wishes come true. Yeah, see, you touch it, now you're lucky.
Oh, he said, can you hold one?
Yeah, sure.
There we go. She wants to feel the luck.
You making a wish?
Yeah, he's making a wish.
Now it's for sure going to come true.
Exactly.
Perfect.
Exactly, buddy. You can't tell anyone, remember? Oh, you just told me. He said he wants a new house.
He needs to wish again.
But he just told me, so now it won't come true. You got it. There you go. There you go. Tell my friend. Got it? Okay. Yeah, don't tell me. Don't tell me this time. Don't tell me. Don't tell me.
I can guess what it is, but I won't say it.
Yeah. If you say it, it won't come true, right? He just wants to stick to stay.
Oh, you like his beard?
Yeah.
Yeah, it just like grew in overnight. I don't know, it's weird, right?
It's lucky.
Yeah, it's a lucky beard.
You want a beard, buddy? Yeah. It look good. It would hide your smile, though. That's right. We need your big smile. Exactly. We'll think about it.
Have you come across any pirate treasure today?
Yes, I have. Actually, this is a leprechaun, and he took all of this
From a pirate?
From Hook Ship.
Oh,
all of
good.
these.
Now you gotta hide it all over Disneyland. I've been doing that. I've been taking treasure from Captain Hook and I've been hiding it everywhere. I hid some at the very top of the castle up there. I also hid some in the Matterhorn. The Yeti's supposed to watch us.
Oh, I bet it's driving him crazy. There's actually not that many characters out today. I, for some reason, thought that St. Patrick's Day would have like Minnie and Mickey wearing special green outfits, kind of like him, or any of the other characters, but everybody's just dressed normal. Hi, Genie. I brought a leprechaun for St. Patrick's Day to meet you. Because you're both magic, right? Yeah. And then anyone who wishes for coins, look at that. Because he's a magic leprechaun who's got a whole bag full of coins. Kind of like the Cave of Wonders, right?
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, you want to get out of the cave.
Oh, yeah, sorry. I shouldn't have brought that up. Bad memories.
Right.
Trauma. Sorry about that.
Yeah, very
My bad.
Hello, friends. How are you?
Good.
Nice to meet you. What's your name?
Christina.
Christina. Nice to meet you, Christina. I'm Aladdin. You can call me Al. All my friends call me Al.
Oh,
So.
perfect.
Are you having fun today so far?
Yes, I brought a little leprechaun.
You,
to
it looks
Disneyland.
like it. Oh my goodness.
And
It's,
he wanted to show you that
okay.
it's like the Cave of
Oh
Wonders.
wow, it is like the Cave of Wonders. You know, you're not supposed to touch anything except for the lamp, though. Abu learned, and I learned that the hard way. So
Yeah, I heard about that one.
yeah, it got a little hot really quick.
I
But.
just showed Genie this, and he was like having traumatic memories.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Thankfully, he was stuck in the lamp, and he didn't have to feel too much of it. But
Yeah.
thankfully, we got him out of there. I'm glad he's free now.
Yes, me too. Hi, Pluto. I brought you a little leprechaun for St. Patrick's Day. I know. Oh yeah, you're looking for the pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. I don't. Somewhere that way. I think. So cute. Oh, tippy hat. You can tip your hat here too. There you go. You guys have twin ears. See, now you're gonna have all the luck in the world. I rubbed off on him onto you. You're the luckiest dog in the world. Thank you, Pluto. Bye.
Hi, Pluto. He's sniffing for,
Sniffing for treats in there. Probably.
Bye.
Hi, Pluto. Yeah, keep your eyes on him. You'll find the gold, right?
Thank you.
You can buy all the dog treats tomorrow. Bye, Pluto. Thank you. Hi, you too. Hi. Oh, yes, I had something to show you. Hold on. I brought a leprechaun to show you. Yeah, he grew a beard just for this. Just for the occasion. Do you like it? I think you're too young. You're too young to grow a beard. Oh, he's a leprechaun. He's a little alien leprechaun. He's a little mini one. Oh, I forgot. He was gonna have a little bag with gold coins, but I forgot to let him tell. But he's a little golden coins. Yeah, I think like at the end of a rainbow, right? Is there good luck? Yeah. It's good. Oh, he doesn't have any money with him right now. I'm sorry. But I mean, because tomorrow's St. Patrick's Day, so maybe he'll have some tomorrow. You never know. Yeah. You like his hat? Yeah? Yeah, it would look good on him, eh?
How are you?
Good, how are you?
We met before?
Yeah.
I thought so. It's like the first time in forever. Who's this little thing?
Oh, today Kiwi is a leprechaun
Wow, I love that.
for St. Patrick's Day.
So your kind of matches my hair a little bit.
Okay, but it does, doesn't it?
Got the carrot orange going on. And tell him to watch out though, because Sven, look, you can have a little bit of that. So Sven sometimes thinks my hair is a carrot. And I have to remind him, it's me on a... So just tell him that.
Especially with your braids, that would be uncomfortable.
Well, I know, just a little nibble before I remind him. But we do have really good chocolate dipped carrots and arendelle, so he'd much prefer one of those over my hair.
Ooh, that sounds good. I brought you a little leprechaun for St. Patrick's Day. He's friendly. He doesn't bite. He actually brings. Yeah, oh yes, he's got a lucky beard. This lucky beard brings you gold. Yeah. And you can buy all the acorns in the world with all that money, right? whole trees for you guys to fight over. Or actually making enough to share so I'm not gonna fight, right? Brothers. Thank you guys. Bye.
Bye guys. Bye Chip. Bye Dale.
Oh, he's a little leprechaun alien. For our early St. Patrick's Day. That's my little Mickey Pikachu. He's got a whole bunch of outfits too. Oh, he's very pleased to meet you. Says good luck. Thank you so much for watching. Click any of these videos for more character fun, and be sure to subscribe for more Disney magic. See you next time.